Alright everyone, I know what you're thinking. I'm not in a garage right now. I'm actually making a fishing video. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Going for some trout and some kokanee. Decided to mix it up a little bit. I'm picking up my buddy Ron and his daughter Ronnie, and we're just gonna cruise around. It was supposed to be overcast skies and windy, but we got some great sunny and 62-degree conditions here, so we'll be back at you with some fishing action, hopefully, or else I'm not going to publish this video. Cheers! Alright guys, so here's what's going on. First off, Ronnie couldn't make it out. It's Ron and myself. We've been trolling around. We've been trolling a little chartreuse wedding ring tipped with a little bit of night crawler on there. About 3 feet below a 50-50 Dodger, Lure Jensen. And finally found him just south of Silcox Island here on American Lake. We are only about 10 feet in the water, and it's been pretty much non-stop action now that we found him here.
Camera! Yeah!
There's just out in deep water.
We got our first fish on.
Ron, that's really close to sorry, I just want to bring this in. I know I was going to let you have it. You have my phone and you were driving.
Yeah, just so everybody knows, I'm supposed to be reeling this fish in. He handed me the phone at the right time, huh?
A little way too long, but it's been so long since I've caught a trout. I don't remember what it feels like.
Well, I'm going to look at the bend on that lemon glass rod, and I'm going to say you probably got a good 1 pound.
Let's pull it a little bit. So we forgot the net.
Yeah, Kenny forgot the net. I did.
You know, this has a little bit of weight to it. It's not ready to come in.
I'll be catching a catfish too.
It's coming on board.
Nothing like catching catfish trout.
That doesn't happen every day. Alright, he's good, he's good.
Whoa, what did you throw that back in for?
Did you want that?
Ah, catfish is good eat. Especially this time of year, it's not too hot.
Got him on there? No. You got him on there? Alright, keep him away from the prop. There you go. You want to try and dance him over there? Feel like a fish? Just keep dancing. Alright, I'm going to run us out to deeper water. You stand in front of the camera, Ron.
Hi.
Remember, we don't have a net, so nothing crazy. Why don't you keep backing up? Keep backing up in the boat. Keep your rod tip up. Keep your rod tip up.
That's a nice fish.
There you go. All right. All right. Hey, you think he's on there?
Yes.
Are you sure?
He hit it like 3 times, and then he came back and hit it again.
I don't think he's on there.
That's what you said last time. Remember, there's a fish on there.
All right, I'll check. It's only 10 feet deep. Not on there anymore.
Well, he was on there. Oh yeah, there we go. Got a little fight in here.
I'm gonna come up on your right side. Okay, I put it in neutral, so you're all right. I'll grab him. So we still don't have a net. Oh, whoa! Lift that rod tip. Yeah, that'll work. I'll just grab the Dodger here. All right, little buddy, we're coming in. Whoa! Whoa! Jeez!
Little guy, but hey,
That's all right.
Another fish. Look at that bend in that. Ah, that's a nice one. Always wanted to be the cameraman.
Out here on American Lake. 7:30 p.m. Oh!
Oh, you got him. You still got him. Hang in there. Don't jerk it out. Oh, let's see that facial expression. You lost that fish, pal.
Oh, man.
Let's see. Did he already get off? That's where we were. So I said, no, should I cut in? No, we'll cut out.
Well, somehow I didn't get that one on recording. It was pretty spectacular. It was pulling drag away from the boat pretty fast. So sorry about that, but that was, I think that's a 16-inch kokanee there, and he just took off like a lightning bolt. That was back on the chartreuse wedding ring. Get the fish, Ron. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Come on. Hold this.
Got it.
Okay, we're okay. We're okay.
Man, I reached hard.
We're okay. He's still on there.
Yeah.
Ron, you got this. This is yours.
Never done that before.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
All right. That
Well, I was trying to just dive for that.
that was giving me the best footage ever. Here, slide over a little bit. Slide away from this motor. Come on, that was pretty quick thinking to pull the downrigger to bring the rod up.
Yeah.
You just bringing him in.
Because it was just like
You had it.
just hanging like right there.
So we can do the same thing. If you just want to reel in and then...
I don't know how the hell that stuck that.
That's all right.
Yeah.
A lot going on here. All right, let's set him down right there.
That's a nice fish.
Well, that ended up turning into a little bit more of a comedy sketch than I was going for, but we ended up having a great time catching quite a few fish out there on American Lake. Just wanted to do a quick recap on the rigs we were using and the lures, poles, reels, just really quick. Nothing too fancy. This is that chartreuse wedding ring with the smiley blade that I kept talking about in the 50-50 lure Jensen Dodger. And then just about 2.5 feet up. And then we're just running these on a Akuma Magda reels. It's just a nice inexpensive Kokanee and Trout reel. Has a nice line counter on it. And then Lama glass, classic glass, line weight 4 to 10 pound. All right. See y'all next time.